This is the plan for the Tulsa Union Depot, the lighting plan. So just to show you how complicated it can be. The power supply, which is here, is rated for 1 amp, basically 1,000 milliamps. So I've had to adjust the amount of lights I have. So, but anyway, one of the things I need are 9 light hubs. Here are 9 light hubs. Also need 3 expansion hubs. I need 10 each of the 5743s, which are the LED nano lights, which are right here. Then for the station platforms, this is where they're going to be on each platform. So on each, and this is the extended walkway here, and there'll be some of those stick-on lights will be in there. So for the outside, I need 10. So there's 2 in each one. And then for the inside one, I need 12 lights. Oh, wrong one. 12 lights. That's this one. 10 of these 5740s, which are they're both 5740s, go on here. So after it's all said and done, I have approximately 700 milliamps of light bulbs to control, which is why I need all of these. So I've got them numbered where they go. And there's also some lights on the platforms, or the roads, excuse me, out there that are also added in. And they're similar, if I get them out of the box, similar to these. There's 3, and they're 20 or 30 milliamps, so they're about 10 each. If I remember right, there's 12. So that's about just roughly about, I'm trying to do math, 120. So I'm at about, between 800 and 900 milliamps total. So, but anyway, I'm good. I just wanted to show you all this before I take it outside. And you may hear my wife working in the bathroom. We're doing a remodeling job in the bathroom, master bath right now. And the clothes washing machine is running. So, but anyway, I'll be taking these out to the train room today. See you next time. Bye.